welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this small space farmhouse coffee bar. To start, you need a wooden tray, a size that works for your space. Just an unfinished wood tray of any kind will do. And then this clearish looking thing is actually a cutting board. Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. You get a pack of 2 of these for $1. And then a pack of paintbrushes. You may already have some on hand. This foam brushes, I picked these up at Dollar Tree. And then you need a few jars. I got the 2 larger ones from Target Dollar Spot. They were 2 for $3, so $1.50 each. And then the smaller one I got from Dollar Tree. And then a roller and some paint. I know a lot of people use chalk paint, but I was trying to be economical, don't have any chalk paint on hand, so I picked up this multi-surface in medium gray and titanium white. Of course, a glue gun with glue, and I picked up a few different colors of felt because I wasn't sure which color I was going to use. So that's basically what you need to get started. I'm just going to put some of the gray paint into this plastic cup that I had and start painting my wooden tray. I decided to add some white because the gray was just a little too dark for what I wanted. I just blended the lighter, the white with the gray until I got sort of the streaks in the tone that I wanted. Just kind of play around with the blending until you get a look that you like. Then I turned my tray over after the paint dried, put the felt on top, and cut the felt down to the size of the bottom of the tray. Then I hot glued the felt to the bottom of the tray. Next, I put the clear cutting board on the tray and used a Sharpie and a ruler to trace a line that would fit inside the tray. Next, I cut out along the Sharpie line. Then I placed the tray liner, the cutting board that I cut down and I'm now using as a tray liner, down inside the tray as a protective surface. I switched over to the shiny side because I thought it looked very nice that way. I have the tray all finished now with its liner on the inside, and I love how these edges turned out with the dimension in the paint that shows through. The felt is in place on the bottom, but I need to finish the lids so that I can make them all coordinate. Now, what I was originally doing is going to leave these silver ones as is. I thought to make it more uniform and more cohesive, I decided to make all the lids like this. Painted this lid now. I'm painting the, just making sure I cover all of the silver. Doesn't have to be even because we're not going for a smooth, even finish. We're looking for a little, something a little rougher. So then you just want to start going at it with the sponge that you've dipped into both the gray and the white. And where you think you may need a little more of one color or the other, just dip more specifically into that color. I kind of want to make this look like it's seen better days. Like it is a little worn or used, or just give it kind of a rustic feel. So then I just used a clean sponge to soak up any excess paint. Once the paint dries comes the fun part. Now we get to set up our coffee bar or hot chocolate bar, or both. I got this coffee sign at Dollar Tree, and I think it's a nice little touch. The first jar is filled with my homemade hot chocolate mix. I have the recipe and a step-by-step instruction available, and I'll link that above. The coffee canister is from Target. In this little jar, I'm putting in those tiny marshmallows, the kind that come in the Swiss Miss packets. This jar will hold my sugar substitute packets and tea bags. And of course, we need some mini marshmallows. And we like the peppermint mini marshmallows as well. And you can certainly change this out seasonally or make it to your own specifications. And that's it. So there you have it. It's inexpensive. I think it turned out really cute. It's rustic, farmhouse. I was gonna do labels, but they're clear jars. I didn't really think they needed it. So I have everything I need right there. And with the felt underneath the tray, you can slide it easily on the counter. And it's portable too. You can carry it over to the table if you'd like it over there when you have company. So this is portable and perfect for small spaces while still keeping a cute farmhouse style. So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.